Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a forced copy of Google Forms. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google Forms and just simply select one of your forms. Now, from here guys, you could just simply remove this first part over here, the edit, and after that, just simply go for copy. And now just simply tap on your keyboard Control A and just simply tap on your keyboard Control C, or in short, you could just simply copy this one by right clicking on it and select copy. And after that, just simply go for the message. So let's say I have a word example over here and I'm gonna paste it over here by pressing Control V and enter. And now guys, when people click on this, as you can see, it will redirect them to the copy document tab. And as you can see, you can just simply select make a copy. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.